Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today's my topic about checklist for starting a business. If you want to start a business, you have to watch this video till end. So let's start. Number one, you have to in your mind name ideas. If you start a business, you have to keep in your mind ideas about your business, what business you want to open and start. And number two is target audience. If you start your business, keep in your mind and research about your audience. Number three is a planning. You have to create a planning. This is a list. Create a business plan, choose a name and research, supplies, estimate startup cost about your business, estimate manufacturing cost, and research competition. You have to research about your competition, who is your competitor, and set realistic goals. Research pricing for an item. You have to research about your item, what is the price of your item and how you are getting. Research local markets where you can buy your product. And marketing, about marketing, you have buy a domain name, create a website, and create a business email, create social media accounts, because if you don't have any social media accounts, the platform, your business will not be viral. Yeah, you will not get sales. Create email list for your email marketing, and create email signatures in the end of email. Order purchase cards, photographs, sample products. Apply to local markets and events. And business choice, legal structure, register your business name, because if you register your business will be authentic. Obtain EIN USA and BN can obtain license and permits to start your business. At an accounting system and product and services designate workplace, order supplies, create sample products, create an inventory list, create a pricing list that you are listing in your okay. After that, branding, choice a brand color and design logo. Create a tagline, because if you use your tagline will show your business authentic, and your business is the mouth of words and people. Order business cards and design product packaging, create a design related to your package. After that, finances, open a business, marketing, banking account, and create a PayPal account. If you are in America, Canada, or any other country, yeah, you have to create account. If you are in Pakistan, so you have some problem for creating a PayPal account, but you can use another banking system, yeah, internet market, online marketing. Finance, create an order management system, purchase, mobile POS system. So my video is end, so we will meet the next video. Till by Allah Hafiz. If you are new in my channel, you have to can subscribe my channel, share, and like. So we will meet the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.